Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, that is the revenue system of East India Company, means Britishers. So in that, first we have to understand that the right of collecting revenue, how they got revenue system means there will be a thing that they got this right, from whom they got the right, when they got the right. So let's see that. So Diwani rights. East India Company got Diwani rights from Mughal in 1765, 12 August, from the Mughal ruler Shah Alam II. Now the Britishers got their Diwani right. Diwani right means the right to collect tax from the villages. So here the Shah Alam II ruler, he was the ruler of Awadh at that time when he allowed them to collect the revenues. Clive is taking the Diwani right from Shah Alam II, who was the ruler of Awadh. Now next, permanent settlement, the first most revenue system of East India Company. Let's see. So the revenue system, which is the first most, is of 1793. This person who of the image you can see here, Charles Cornwallis, he discovered this permanent settlement. This is Charles Cornwallis. And now let's see about that. So, permanent settlement is a type of revenue system of East India Company. It was invented by Charles Cornwallis in 1793. In this system, the rate of revenue was fixed. Revenue is given by cultivators or farmers to the zamindars. From that, 3/4 should be given to the Britishers. Now here we need to understand that the Diwani rights, they got Diwani rights in 1765. But here we are talking in 1793 for the first revenue system. So they took 20 years to think and to invent this revenue system, which was also not very successful. So what is the mistake that they did is they fixed the revenue rate. So now if they have some loss or profit, if they have profit then it's good, but if they have some loss, so the revenue rate is fixed. If they want more money also, they cannot change the revenue rates because they have fixed when they have invented this. Now in this one, first when the farmers will give the revenue to the zamindars, and then the means the 1/4 will be given to the farmers only, and the 3/4 will be given to the Britishers. This was the system, but zamindars do not follow this. What they do is they just take much money and they give here also less money and here also very less money. So here who is in being advantage? Yes, zamindars only. So now next revenue system which comes is Mahalwari system, which is invented by Holt Mackenzie, and in 1822 he discovered this. Mahalwari system is a type of revenue system of East India Company. It was invented by Holt Mackenzie in 1822. In this system, the village is considered as the mahal. So revenue is taken from the village headman and given to the British. Now you have observed something, that here the zamindars, the work of zamindars is not here. Zamindars are eliminated from this. Now directly from village headman, British will take the revenue. So here what will happen is, so they have considered, like this is a village and this is a village. So this village is considered as mahal, as a mahal here, that's why it is Mahalwari system. And from the village headman, who is the headman of this village, will give the tax to the Britishers, will give the tax. In the permanent settlement, they will take revenue from each farmer in the village, but this one, whole farmer means whole village will give the revenue to the village headman, and then village headman will give to the Britishers. So zamindar are not here. Now the next settlement which comes is this one, which is Ryotwari system. So it is discovered by Thomas Munro. Now let's talk about that. And Ryotwari system is also known as the Munro system because it is invented by Thomas Munro. Now Ryotwari system or the Munro system is a type of revenue system of East India Company. It was invented by Thomas Munro. In this system, the revenue is directly collected from the farmers, and the rate of revenue is also not fixed here. In Mahalwari system also the rate of revenue is not fixed, but in the permanent settlement it was fixed. So they cannot change the revenue, but here they can change the revenue rate. They will not reduce it. Obviously they will not reduce because they want more money, so they will only increase the revenue rate. Here one more thing I have to add, that for seeing that is this revenue system also correct and Britishers are in advantage. So for that, first they did an experiment in a small village, and this experiment was done by Alexander Reed. So this was all about the revenue system of East India Company. If you like, so please like this video, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.